do you change the clock on your Apple Watch? Let me talk about it and explain it. If it's your first time on this channel, definitely subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So in order to change the clock on your Apple Watch, you can be on the main watch face and hold down on it to initiate the editing process. So click on edit below, and it kind of depends on the specific type of the clock you are currently using. But in my case, for example, I can see that I can change the style of the clock. So I can change it from the one large one which shows the time or the minutes and hours only, or I can add the seconds, or I can make it kind of like look smaller. You can see plenty of ways to pick between it, right? So that's how I have the ability to see it right there. That's the first thing I can change. Then I can as well change the color of this, right? So you can see that it also changes the look and it gives me a different vibe with it. And I can as well change some other things. So as I say, it heavily depends on the style of the watch face. For example, if I choose a different one, I'm gonna have different ability to change the clock right there. However, I still believe that the best way to approach this would be by grabbing the watch app on the paired iPhone and just exploring the watch gallery right there. So this will give you not only the ability to customize the existing one, but also create a brand new watch faces, change the colors, and customize it as much as you can. So I believe that this is the most effective way to change the clock on your Apple Watch. Let me know if that is the thing that you had in mind and wanted to change. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, and definitely subscribe for more tutorials and similar videos like this one.